Welcome. If you're tired of your inbox filling up with notifications from X, formerly known as Twitter, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to quickly disable new email notifications on X using your PC following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to x.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main page, look to the left sidebar and find the More icon. It usually appears as 3 dots or a circle with dots. Click on it and a menu will pop up. In this menu, select Settings and Support, then choose Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account's main settings page. Now, look for the Notifications section and click on it. This is where you can manage all your notification preferences, including emails. Within the Notifications menu, find and click on Preferences. Under Preferences, you'll see an option called Email Notifications. Go ahead and select it. Here's where you can control exactly what emails you receive from X. To stop getting new notification emails, simply uncheck the box next to New Notifications. If there's a toggle switch at the top labeled Email Notifications, you can also turn it off to stop all emails from X entirely. That's it. You've now disabled new email notifications. Your inbox should be a lot cleaner, and you'll only get the updates you truly care about. If you ever want to turn these emails back on, just follow the same steps and check the box or toggle the switch back on. Thanks for watching. For more tips on managing your X account and keeping your notifications under control, be sure to check out our other guides. Enjoy a clutter-free inbox.